Once upon a time, there was a boy named Alan. He was a musician who had a dream to spread the joy of music to the whole world.
I really want to be in a band, but that would never happen.
Hey, do you play music?
Yeah, I play the guitar.
Do you want to make a band?
We come out here every day, but nobody seems to care.
Maybe we should show them what's real.
I don't know. How do we do that?
We need something to make us stand out. Do you hear that? We should play with them.
Yo, your show is great.
Wow, this is the best.
We're gonna be famous!
I can't believe so many people love our music. This is amazing.